Bees, like any other species, need a suitable home to thrive. In the case of hives, space organization is crucial to maintaining a healthy and productive colony. An essential part of this organization is the brood chamber, where the worker bees will raise the larvae until they become adult bees. Adding racks to this chamber is an important task to maintain proper balance and maximize hive production. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Know your hive. Before you begin, it is essential to understand the structure and layout of your hive. Hives vary in size and design, so it's important to familiarize yourself with the specific architecture of yours. Before adding the racks to the brood chamber, plan where you will place them. It is important to maintain uniform spacing between them to facilitate access for bees and avoid overcrowding. Place the racks in the brood chamber, making sure they are properly aligned and spaced. Maintain a logical order to make it easier to inspect and manage the hive in the future. Once you've added the racks, see how the bees react. They may initially be bewildered by the changes in their environment, but they will eventually adapt and begin building cells in the new combs. Continue to monitor hive activity and comb construction in the new frames. As the colony grows, you may need to add more racks or make adjustments as necessary. Adding racks to your hive's brood chamber is an effective way to promote a healthy and productive environment for your bees. With careful planning and diligent execution, you can maintain a thriving hive and enjoy the benefits of successful beekeeping. As the population increases, it will be necessary to move the colony to a brood chamber, and combs with stamped wax will be added to the outside of the brood nest. The bees will carve the cells as the colony grows and until the chamber is completed. The management of hives varies depending on the type used. Although without going into detail regarding which one is managed, it is always essential to pay attention to space issues. The introduction of stamped wax, when carrying out the replacement of combs, must be carried out by dividing the nest in the center of the colony. This will allow the sheet to be stretched quickly and will soon be placed in the central region. One thing to consider is that if the weather conditions are unstable, we can place the sheets to provide laying spaces at the ends of the nest, interspersed with the first coastal squares that have pollen and honey.